Hi children, once again welcome to maths class. So in the previous class you have learned the introduction of exponents and not only that how to write the exponential form. Okay, what is the base, what is the exponent, everything you have learned and you solve the problems based on exercise 13.1. So and today you are going to learn what are the laws of exponents. Okay, so some of the laws are here. See, multiplying powers with the same base. Multiplying the powers with the same base. Okay, so here a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Multiplying, here the product is nothing but multiplication. This symbol is for multiplication we are using. Here the bases are a and a. Here these are the bases. If the bases are okay, so if the bases are equal in the product or in the multiplication, what you have to do? You have to do the addition of powers. In the multiplication, bases are same, the powers will be added. So the powers will be, you should be added. Okay. So for example, 3 square into 3 to the power of 4. Here 3 is the base, here 3 is the base. And what is the exponent? Exponent or power. Okay. Here the power is 2. The power is 2. This is the power. So in the product or in the multiplication, bases are same. Bases are same. So you should add the exponents. So that is 3 to the power of 2 plus 4. That is equal to 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6. 3 to the power of 6. Is it clear? Right. Dividing powers with the same base. Dividing the powers. In the division, if the bases are same, so powers will, yes, you have to subtract. That is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. In the whenever you are dividing the exponents, if the bases are same, the exponents should be subtracted. For example, 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 square or any cube you can take. 3 cube or 3 square. Now first division. How can you write this one in the form of fraction? 3 to the power of 5 by 3 square. Okay. Here observe the bases are same. Okay. In the dividing the powers with the same base. Okay. So here the bases are same. We have to do the subtraction of powers. How can you write this one? 3 to the power of 5 minus 2. For two exponents, 3 is the common. For the 3 is the base, is the common for the two exponents. That is 3 to the power of 5 minus 2. It is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 cube. Okay na children? So remember, whenever dividing the exponents, you check first bases are same or not. Yes, if the bases are same, you have to write common base for the two exponents. Same like that. 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 square. 3 is the base, is the common. Now I am writing 3 is the common for the two exponents. And what you have to do? You have to subtract the powers. Subtract the powers means two powers. That is m and n. Powers are different. Okay? The powers are different. Bases are same. Then in the division, what you have to do? You have to subtract the powers. That is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Similarly, third law, see, taking power of a power, that is a to the power of m whole to the power that is equal to a to the power of m in mn, that means m into n. Okay, so if the power of a power will come, so at that time what you have to do, we have to multiply the powers. Suppose 2 cube is there, 2 cube, so again one more power, that is one more power I have taken here, taking power of your power, that is 2 cube whole cube. Okay, so then at that time what you have to do, so you have to remember the multiplication of 2 powers, that is 3 into 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, not 3 plus 3, don't do like that. Okay, so 3 into 3, so the powers you have to multiply. Whenever the power of a power will come, you have to multiply the 2 powers. Is it clear, children? Right. And see, multiplying powers with the same exponents. So a power m into b to the power of m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. If the bases are different, so bases, these a and b are the different, but the powers, that is exponents, are same, with the same exponent. Here the exponents are same, bases are different. How can you write this now? ab whole to the power of m. So base is different, exponents are same, means for the two bases this m is the common, that's why I have written like this, ab whole to the power of m. Suppose 3 cube into 2 cube, so observe, bases are same? No, bases are different. So at that time what you have to do, so you have to observe the exponents. Is the exponents are same? Yes, exponents are same. So for that 2 exponents, 3 is the common. Okay, then we can write it as 3 into 2 whole cube. 3 into 2 is nothing but 6 cube. Is it clear, children? So when the exponents are same and the bases are different, you have to remember a power m into b to the power of m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. Right. So and one more law, that is dividing powers with the same exponents. With the same exponents, that is a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. In the multiplication we have seen bases are different, exponents are same. We can write it as ab whole to the power of m. By dividing the powers with the same exponents, how to write? Yes, the same. That is a by b whole to the power of, for the two bases, that is bases are different, here exponent is same, then a by b whole to the power of m. For the two bases, here m is the common in the division, I have written a by b whole to the power of m. Suppose 3 to the power of 5 and 7 to the power of 4. Okay, so the bases are different. So here, sorry, exponents are same. How can you write this one? 3 by 7 whole to the power of 5. 3 by 7 whole to the power of 5. And the last one, see, numbers with exponent 0. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1 for any non-zero integer. See, here 3 to the power of 0. So what is the answer? We will get 1 only. So a to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. 7 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 only. So these all laws you have to remember. So based on these laws of exponents, we will solve the exercise problems. Remember these all exponents and learn once again. Okay, now keep heading in your notebook exercise 13.2. So 13.2. Okay. See, first one, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Okay, first one, see, 3 square into 3 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 8. Okay, using laws of exponents. Here we have to use the laws of exponents and simplify and write this answer in the exponential form. See children, so using the laws of exponents here, observe, so which law of exponent here helpful to you? So check here, all the bases are same, okay, in the multiplication. So if all the bases are same in the multiplication, you should add the exponents. Very good. So we know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So here you have to consider the bases. First, bases are same in the multiplication. So what should you have to do? Yes, exponents you should add. That is a to the power of m plus n. So based on this law, we can add. That is 3 to the power 3 square into 3 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 8 is equal to, for all the exponents, 3 is the base. That's why I am taking 3 is the common for all the exponents. Now 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now add. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So what is the exponential form? 3 to the power of 14. See second one, 6 to the power of 15 divided by 6 to the power of 10. Okay, so dividing the here division of exponents here 6 to the power of 15, 6 to the power of 10. Which law? Very good. A to the power of n divided by a to the power of n. So why? Because here the bases are same, exponents are different. In the division, the bases are same. We should subtract the exponents. That is a to the power of m minus n. Similarly, 6 to the power of 15 divided by 6 to the power of 10 is equal to 6 to the power of 15 minus 10 is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. 6 to the power of 5. Right. See, third problem. A cube into a square. Which law? A cube into a square. Very good. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n. Bases are same, exponents are different in the multiplication. So we have to add the exponents. That is a cube into a square is equal to a to the power of 3 plus 2. So a to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5. A to the power of 5 is the answer. Right. See, fourth one, 7 to the power of x into 7 square. Same law. Very good. Bases are same, exponents are different in the multiplication. We can write this one as 7 to the power of x plus 2. 7 to the power of x plus 2. Next, fifth one, see, 5 square whole cube divided by 5 cube. So here how many laws? 2 laws of exponents are here. That is 5 square whole, taking power of a power. That is 5 square whole cube. We have a to the power of m whole to the power of n. That is a to the power of mn. So using that law we can simplify that 5 square whole cube is nothing but 5. The multiplication of 2 exponent, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 5 to the power of 6. This value 5 square whole cube value is now 5 to the power of 6. Again we have to divide 5 to the power of 6 divided by 5 cube. Okay, so bases are same in the division, exponents are different. So you have to subtract. Yes, very good. That is 5 to the power of 6 by 5 cube, 5 to the power of 6 minus 3. So the formula is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m by a to the power of n or a to the power of m minus n. Using this law, we can subtract the exponents. So 6 minus 3, what is 3, 5 cube. Is it clear, children? Very good. So similarly, remaining all problems are easy, and giving to you homework in the exercise 13.2, page 260, first question. So remaining problems, what are the 6th, 7, 8, okay, 10th. So 9th also do. So 9th, 10th, remaining all problems you have to solve. So very easy now. So using the laws you can solve these all problems easily. Okay. So before solving the problems, remember the laws of exponents. Right. So next come to the second question. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So what is the first problem? 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. 3 into 32. See, we have to simplify this one. 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. But 32 is not in the exponential form and 4 is not in the exponential form. So what you have to do? So we have to write this 4 in the exponential form. So we know that 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4. So 4. So it is the product of 2 into 2, that is 2 square. Okay, so 2 square, right? 3 into 32. So we have to find the prime factors. How to do? 2 ones, 2 6, 2 8s, again 2 4s, 2 2s. Okay, so how many 2s here? It is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 prime factors of 32. We can write it as in the form of exponential, that is 2 to the power of 5. Observe here all 2's and 3's given, it is easy to simplify. Right. So here 2 cube into 2 square. 2 cube into 2 square into 3 to the power of 4. 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Right. So here see 2 cube into 2 square. So here the bases are same. In the multiplication we have to add the exponents. So using the law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Then so 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 2 to the power of 5. So now tell me, 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 is nothing but 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Right. Here see 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5 cancel. Okay. Then 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3. So there is no exponent. We can write there is a 1. 3 to the power of 1. So which law here helpful to us? A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So then a to the power of m minus n. So in the division, bases are same, the exponents are different. So at that time you have to subtract the exponents. Then you will get 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 cube. What you have to show here? We have to simplify this one and show the answer in the form of exponential. So finally we got 3 cube. Okay, so you have to remember this all laws, then only you can solve the problems. Right. Come to the second one. See second question. 5 square whole cube into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 7. 5 to the power of 7. 7. See, observe this problem. How can we solve? Here power of a power is there. First we have to simplify this. 5 square whole cube. So that is 5, 2 into 3. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Then you can write here simply 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 7. So here we used the formula, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So next, observe 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4. Here bases are same, exponents are different. In the multiplication, base is same, exponents different. What have to do? We have to add the exponents. So for the two exponents, 5 is common. There is a base 5 to the power of 6 plus 4, okay, divided by 5 to the power of 7. So that is equal to 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 5 to the power of 10 divided by 5 to the power of 7. Here which law used here? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Here see 5 to the power of 10 divided by 5 to the power of 7. The division bases same, exponents different. So we have to subtract the exponents. A to the power of n, that is a to the power of m minus n. 5 to the power of 10 minus 7 is nothing but 10 minus 7 is 3, 5 cube. Is it clear, children? So whenever you are solving these all problems, use the laws of exponents. Remember these all laws. Okay, see third one. 25 whole to the power of 4 divided by 5 cube. 25 whole to the power of 4 divided by 5 cube. Here 5 is their base, here base is not 5. Then at that time what you have to do? You have to convert this in the form of base 5. Before that, find the prime factors. 25. For 25 prime factors are 5 into 5, that is 5 into 5 is equal to 5 square. 25 we can write in the form of exponential, that is 5 square. Again we have power 4. 5 square whole to the power of 4 divided by 5 cube. See, again power of a power came. So power of a power means multiply the exponents, that is 5 to the power of 2 into 4 divided by 5 cube, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Now multiply the exponents 2 4s 8. 5 to the power of 8 divided by 5 cube. If the in the division bases are same, exponents different means have to subtract the exponents, that is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Then 5 to the power of 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of 5. Okay, now children? See. Similarly, fourth one. What is the fourth question? 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power of 8 divided by 21 into 11 cube. 21 into 11 cube. Okay, right. See here, all are in the form of exponential except 21. We have to write this one in the exponential. So before that, find the prime factors of 21. So what are the prime factors of 21? 3 sevens. 3 into 7, only that. Okay, we can write the 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power of 8 by 3 into 7 into 11 cube. 11 cube. Here all the bases are different. Here see, in the division here 3 and 3 both are cancelled. Here 7 square 7. 11 to the power of 8 11 cube. We can write this one. 7 square by 7 we can write by using the law, that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Bases are same. Now I am writing this one using the law 7 to the power of 2 minus 1 into 11 to the power of 8 minus 3. 7 to the power of 2 minus 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 1 into 11 to the power of 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So what is the answer? 7 to the power of 1 into 11 to the power of 5. Copy that. Right children, so up to now we have completed 4 problems. So what did I give today? Homework that all problems you solve and post in the Google form. Remaining problems we will solve in the next class. Until then, bye.